Okay, today I'm reviewing the SIKUWORLD. This is a 5402 set as a commercial aircraft with accessories. It comes with a modern commercial aircraft that's mostly plastic, and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accessories, and 2 die-cast cars. You get a die-cast follow me van and a die-cast tractor, tow tractor, and the accessories include I forgot what he calls them, but the marshaller, I think, 4 passengers, the towbar that actually fits on the tow truck and connects to the plane, and these chocks. 3 chocks for the wheels. And let's see, all the accessories to plane are plastic. The 2 models are die-cast, the 2 cars. Now it comes in this it's actually pretty big set. I'm gonna take it out soon, but I just want to look at the box. It tells you right here what you get. And they sell it with other sets, so you could expand your airport or you expand your airplane collection. They get the I think it goes great with the 6312 right here on the corner. I'm not sure you can see. That's the airport playset. I think you just want the vehicles though. The plane really is tiny. Comparatively speaking to this, and you can see in the photo here the setup. This plane comes with 2 areas that you can open, 2 compartments. One's for the passengers, and it comes with 4 of them, and you can sit them into the chairs, and the back is the cargo area. And apparently you can put a car in there, which makes sense because Siku does make a lot of cars. And then on top, I'm not sure you can see, they're showing you that you could tow this with the tow bar, and then you can open that for the passengers. And then that one is the landing gears do retract, but they just really fold up. It's not like it's hide in the compartment like a real plane. And I do not know where they get this other playset, but they have this looks like a fire emergency fire set. I guess that's an emergency fire set, but I don't see it. They don't have the set number here. And there seems to be, emergency fire set. And if you get the fuel truck, it actually connects to the wing for fueling. And the last feature I think it has is this. I'm not sure if it's showing you, but there's a LED. There's a light here. The landing light that you could turn on. And other features that do not show include that the engine, the fans actually turn. But let's open this up. And the first thing is the plane. It is plastic and it's a really ugly blue. Again, it comes with features include, I'm not sure you can see this. The engine, the fan blades do rotate. It's painted on a lot of the windows, but as you can see, the 2 compartments open up. It's on this side. And there's about 12 seats in there. So you could put the included passengers into the seats. And there's a luggage area, a cargo area, but no cargo. And here's the light. And it looks like they have a battery compartment that you can actually replace the battery, so that's kind of useful. And the landing gears again just fold up. And it's a pretty long plane. It's 15 inches according to the Siku, as a German company. And they usually make 1/87th and 1/50 scale items. And I actually think this is actually a 1/87th scale in terms of length for a A319, the smallest Airbus, or one of the smallest Airbus. I mean, original Airbus, not the A2200 now. But, so it does kind of, you could actually use it in your 1/87th XO scale row. I mean, model railroad. However, I guess this is not die cast. And it'll have to be kind of like, because it's only the smallest planes, it probably would be a regional airport. And that's the only thing you could do with it. But it is about, I think, 1/87 scale. And it comes with the 2 die-cast cars. This one's a follow me van. And I also believe this is 1/87 scale. And it reminds me of the Mercedes Sprinter vans, but again, this is not officially a Mercedes car, and that plane over there is officially not an Airbus plane, but it just looks like it. And then you get the tractor. Which I'm having trouble getting out. Oh, finally. Tractor says global on it. And then you could connect this. It's quite hard to connect. Alright. At least it stays on really well. And the connection is actually really good. I don't think you can see it, but there's actually pegs for it. And you could probably even tow it then. And now I think the follow me vehicle, you could actually use that. Well, it doesn't stay on, but it has the same pegs. But definitely the tractor works a lot better. So overall, I think this is a great set for actually model railroad, and just great for a playset for a child. So that's the Siku World 5-step Flight 402, the commercial aviation with airliner with the accessories.